2 to 3 days before, I just came up with the same photo in everybody's WhatsApp, Instagram status. Then I asked one of my friends what happened, why everyone is sharing the same photo. Then I got to know that in Kerala, a pregnant elephant was fed pineapple filled with crackers and died. And the news got viral, but I didn't share it in my WhatsApp status because I know only sharing throughout the status is not the solution. By sitting in one state and blaming those villagers is not the solution. Each and every one of the country is responsible for that situation, and our responsibilities are more than just sharing the status. We are so addicted to WhatsApp status, Instagram status that we think if we will share it more, the news will reach to every corner of the country and someone will be there who will take the action against the brutality. But I want to ask you, who is that someone? Do you know him? So let me tell you, you are that someone who can change this. When the news reaches to your phone, your work not finished by just sharing it on one social media. Your work begins there. If you only just share the news and sit back, after 1 week the craze of the news will cool down and the thing will vanish from everyone's mind and some brutality will happen again and again. So this is not the first time humans killed elephants or elephants entered to human locality. Let's analyze some reports. Here I am taking the report of year 2015 to 2018 because I am not able to find 2019 report, but I think same will apply to the 2019 report also. So in 3 years between 2015 to 2018, human-elephant conflict caused 1,713 human deaths and 373 elephant deaths. Highest number of human deaths had occurred in West Bengal. Around 307 people were killed by elephants, followed by Odisha around 305, Assam 86 and other 16 states around 227. So all these people were killed by wild elephants. The death may be occurred during protecting their house and crop in villages. 226 elephants died only by electrocution, and electrocution means death or severe injury by electric shock, electric current passing through the body. Electrocution is contributing to 60.6% of death of elephant since 2015, and around 147 elephants died because of train accidents, poaching and poisoning, etc. According to data, there are around 56 elephants dying every year due to man-made reasons. So when you are reacting to one, there are 50 more happening in other areas. So before discussing about the problems, I want to share with you some examples. According to Ajay Desai, a consultant in World Wildlife Fund India, in West Bengal during 1980s, elephants in the Dalma Wildlife Sanctuary only confined to the Dalma Hills, because at that time enough food and water was available for them. But when cultivation of paddy began in the plains near the hills, elephants began moving downward to raid crops. So the conflict between humans and animals increased day by day. In Odisha, the growing number of mines would continue to be a problem for elephants. Due to growing mines, elephants are moving from Odisha and Jharkhand to Chhattisgarh, and this leads to many accidents. Cause of human-elephant conflict. Number 1. Deforestation. Deforestation is the main cause of the conflict. 80% of Asian elephants are losing their habitats because of deforestation and moving into human society. Due to agriculture, every year 2.41% of loss happening in total forest coverage. Elephants are forced to move into new environments, and it is ending up with death of both humans and elephants. Number 2. Hunting and illegal poaching. Thousands of elephants are being killed every year for their ivory tusk. The ivory is carved into ornaments and jewelry, and China is the biggest consumer market for such products. Due to illegal hunting and continuous disturbances in their habitat, elephants are moving into new habitat and ended up with human-elephant conflict. Number 3. Food and water scarcity. Due to climate change, rise in temperature, vegetation in the forest are not growing enough. This leads to a food shortage where many species compete for food and starve to death. Climate change also affecting amount of water in forest areas. Finally, they raid crops to fill their stomach. Number 4. Pollution. Plastic pollution having a great impact on Earth's largest land mammals. Unlike humans, animals are unable to distinguish between what's edible and what's not. Elephants, like many animals, are attracted to food waste near the human civilization, and most food waste ends up in a plastic bag. In 2018, a female elephant died because of eating a 3-meter long plastic sheet. Number 5. Unplanned development. If man conducts development works with proper plans in an eco-friendly way, such works have no such a challenging impact on the environment. However, now most of the development work are without the plan and they are not environment friendly. So unplanned development creating unhealthy climate, unpleasant sound, constructions near the forest environment, which causing migration of the elephants to the rural areas. So I think now you have understood what are the real causes and why I have said that each and every one of the country is responsible for this. Because I want to ask you, how many times you have thought of to take a step towards climate change? How many times you have taken a step to reuse the fresh water? How many times you have taken step to stop the plastic pollution? We all are busy in sharing status about motivation, about memes, music, a photo of new dress and all. Have you ever shared that yes, today I am riding through cycle to the market to save my environment? Riding bikes, cars, spending a lot of money in clothes which we are going to wear only once in our life, buying chips wrapped with plastics, having a cold drinks package in plastic bottles, and finally sharing that what humans are doing to the environment is becoming a fashion in today's generation. We are more concerned about sharing rather than taking a step. And that's why today that pregnant elephant died and we all are responsible for it. What we can do individually. From today, whenever you are going to market, if your market is not that much far from your house, please ride a bicycle and share the WhatsApp status that you are taking a step towards climate change. Stop buying chips packed with plastic wrappers and cold drinks packed with plastic bottles and share the status that at that moment you are taking a step towards plastic pollution. Reuse the fresh water used in washing the clothes and put it on the status that I am taking a step towards freshwater scarcity. These small steps will give encouragement to others whoever watching it. There is no one at some corner in the country who will come like a god and suddenly will change everything. So be that someone and change the way you used to be. I hope a day will come where such heartbreaking news like a death of pregnant elephant will not be in the status of everyone, and our responsibilities are more than just sharing a status. So if my videos are inspiring and you are liking it, please like, share it more and more to reach the message everyone, and subscribe to get new videos and hit the bell icon to get instant notification of my new video. Thanks for watching.